Hey guys, I'm Salima and this is my kitchen. Welcome back. Today is Friday, and to be perfectly honest with you, I need this. I'm more of a gardener than a drinker, if you know what I mean, but today is just one of those days, okay? And I have all the ingredients I need to make my mom's version of a blended piña colada, so that's what we're doing. Growing up, my mom would make these all the time, and she started making me virgin versions, like the mocktail version. She'd make like a double batch of it with no rum, of course, and then she'd pour out mine, and then she'd add her rum and blend hers up and have her cocktail. And it was just like, bonding over alcohol is so classic. It was really fun, like having the mocktail version and being able to kind of bond over a drink that she grew up with. And once I went to college, I felt so cool knowing how to make this drink, being able to share it with people, and everyone always being so impressed. It is so easy to make, and the cool thing is you don't need a cocktail shaker or really any like fancy bar tools. Really all you need is a blender and measuring cups if you want to be precise. My mom's version of this recipe uses canned pineapple, which a lot of recipes just use pineapple juice. I love using the canned pineapple chunks because I feel like it adds a lot to that creamy, thick, like almost smoothie texture that is signature to a piña colada. We're gonna need the canned pineapple and the juice that comes with it, some rum, of course, and cream of coconut. You're also gonna need a ton of ice, so make sure you have that. Grab your ingredients and let's go make this drink. So as I mentioned, we're starting in our blender with our canned pineapple chunks and some of the juice that they are canned with. And to that, we're adding our cream of coconut. This ingredient is actually really important. Don't use a can of coconut cream or milk. It's just not going to turn out the same. We're also adding our 2 ounces of rum and lots of ice. Then everything gets blended up until it is smooth and creamy and consistent. And at this point, you are ready to serve. Pour your piña colada into a fancy glass and top with whatever you like. You could do lime zest, you could do coconut flakes, really anything is delicious here, but I love a slice of fresh pineapple and a maraschino cherry. I fear I may have outdone myself on this one. So we just blended everything together and then poured it into our glass. So easy, it took like 5 minutes. And then I garnished with a little piece of fresh pineapple because I had one, as well as a little maraschino cherry, which I'm like weirdly excited to eat. And I sprinkled some toasted coconut on top because, again, I had it and why not? Okay, let's give it a try. It hits every damn time. Oh my God, my day is already better. Yup. Are you the kind of person who eats your garnish first or last? This question feels so simple, but I also feel like it tells me so much about you. I think it's really obvious what kind of person I am. If you guys try this classic cocktail and you like it, please let me know and I will give my mom a huge thank you from all of us. And I will see you guys next time. Cheers.